Hello dear friends, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel Nanda Nursing Life. Friends, आज हम डिस्कशन करिबा नर्सिंग मेमोरी कैप्सूल पार्ट 2 that is from fundamental nursing. So fundamental nursing most important key points जोटा आपण मानकर upcoming OSSC exam AIMS NURSET and also most important for all upcoming nursing competitive exam. So वीडियो को जल्दी जल्दी लाइक करी शेयर कर दियंतु एंड चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देखुं ताहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु एवं बेल आइकन को हिट कर दिंतु एमती नर्सिंग रिलेटेड अपडेट चैनल अपलोड हो आपण पाखे पहुँची जीवो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टुडे नर्सिंग मेमोरी कैप्सूल. सो फर्स्ट मेमोरी कैप्सूल है फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल इज द फाउंडर ऑफ मॉडर्न नर्सिंग. सो फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल इज द फाउंडर ऑफ मॉडर्न नर्सिंग. देन 1908 DNA was formed. So in 1908 DNA was formed. Then in the year 1871 first school of nursing was started in government general hospital Madras, that is ebe Chennai hijichi. Then in the year 1946 BSc nursing program was established at RAK College of Nursing, Delhi, and also Christian College of Nursing, CMC, Vellore. So first time BSc Nursing start hitla 1946 रे and College of Nursing RAK College of Nursing Delhi रे hitla and Christian College of Nursing, CMC, Vellore रे hitla. Then in the year 1947 Indian Nursing Act was passed. Then in the year 1960 MSc Nursing program was started at RAK College of Nursing, Delhi. Then in the year 1953 International Council of Nurses course was first established. Then Linda Richards first psychiatric nurse. Linda Richards होचंती first psychiatric nurse. Then first male registered nurse होचंती Lieutenant Edward T. Lyon. The first male registered nurse Lieutenant Edward T. Lyon. Then medical hand washing at least 20 seconds. So medical hand washing at least 20 seconds करिवार अछि. And surgical hand washing 40 to 60 seconds करा जाए. So, halitosis means bad odor of breath. So halitosis means bad odor of breath. Then cheilosis means the cracking and ulceration of the lips and angles of the mouth. Then glossitis means inflammation of tongue. Then stomatitis means inflammation of mucous membrane of the mouth. Then hypercapnia means carbon dioxide retention. The next capsule, memory capsule, best site for assessment of temperature in children, that is axilla. So best site for assessment of temperature in children is axilla. The next, wipe the thermometer from bulb to stem with moist swab before taking temperature. So moist swab रे thermometer को पोछिबार अछि bulb to stem. The next question, wipe the thermometer from stem to bulb with dry swab after taking temperature. So before taking temperature रे बल्ब टू स्टेम क्लीन करबार थिला देन आफ्टर टेकिंग टेम्परेचर नहीं सारला परे स्टेम टू बल्ब वाइप द थर्मोमीटर and next memory capsule paradoxical respiration is seen in file chest due to blunt trauma chest trauma. Next nursing memory capsule is pulse deficit. So pulse deficit equal to difference between apical pulse and radial pulse. Pulse pressure equal to systolic blood pressure minus diastolic blood pressure. Then mean arterial pressure equal to diastolic pressure plus 1/3 systolic pressure minus diastolic pressure. Then next nursing memory capsule is a blood pressure curve that is too large. If the blood pressure curve too large thibo, then will give false low reading blood pressure. Then a blood pressure curve that is too small will give false high reading of BP. Next question. Assault is an act of unlawful threat or attempt to do bodily injury to another. Then battery mainly a इंटेंशनल टॉट क्वेश्चन निहाती भाव एम्स रे OSSS रे निहाती भाव गोटे निहाती भाव आसो सो यहाँ भल से आपण मानक इम्पोर्टेंट भल से आपण मानक देखार अच्छे और शुणवार अच्छे. सो बैटरी मीन्स एनी अनलॉफुल और इंटेंशनली टचिंग ऑफ ए पर्सन विदाउट कंसेंट दैट मे और मे नॉट कॉज हार्म. So battery means any unlawful or intentional touching of a person without consent that may or may not cause harm. Then intrusion. Intrusion an act of invasion into another person's private affairs. Then malice. A person knows information is false and still publisher it. Person knows information is false and still publisher it. Next nursing memory capsule देखिबा negligence. So negligence is an act or conduct that falls below the standard of care. Then malpractice. Malpractice, it is a professional negligence or carelessness committed by a professional person. Then confidentiality. Confidentiality to keep the patient information private, and maintain the privacy means confidentiality. Next nursing memory capsule justice. Justice means to treat equally and fairly. Then next beneficence, an action that is to done for the benefit of other. Next nursing memory capsule, that is non-maleficence. So it means non-harming or inflicting the least possible harm possible to reach a beneficial outcome. Next is incubation period. So incubation period means time from initial contact with infectious agent to first sign of symptoms. Next is clinical stage or invasive stage. In this stage, signs and symptoms specific to the disease appear. Next is cold test or hot test to determine the urine albumin. Next is Venedict test or Fellings test, that is to determine the sugar. Next nursing memory capsule is sulfur test or Hay test or iodine test, or that is Smith test. So it is to determine bile. Next is Rothera test, that is Rothera nitrofluoride test to determine ketone, bodies or acetone. Next is inoction. Inoction means application of drug on the skin. The next is instillation. Instillation means putting liquid form of medication into body cavity. Then insufflation means administration of drug in the form of powder, vapor or air into the body cavity by blowing with an insufflator. Next nursing memory capsule is intrathecal. It means drug administration into the spinal cavity. The next is intraosseous. So drug administration into the bone marrow. Next is lumbar puncture. During lumbar puncture, provide knee chest position, that is fetal position. It is also known as fetal position during the procedure. So during the procedure of lumbar puncture, should provide knee chest position, or that is fetal position. Then lumbar puncture. So after lumbar puncture, supine position, provide supine position. Then side effect of lumbar puncture. So side effect of lumbar puncture is headache and pain. Next nursing memory capsule is implied consent. Implied consent means a patient whose life is threatened and who is comatose is assumed to give consent. That is implied consent. Then abduction. Abduction means movement of an extremity away from the body midline. Then abduction. Abduction means moving towards midline of the body. Then extension. Extension means straightening a joint. Then flexion. Flexion means bending motion that decreases the angle of joint. Next is order of technique during physical examination. So physical examination re first, except abdominal examination, physical examination re कौन करा हबो? First inspection हबो, then palpation, then percussion, then auscultation. First inspection, then palpation, then percussion, then auscultation. ये हैला फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन पाए. देन देखिबा ऑर्डर ऑफ टेक्निक ड्यूरिंग एब्डोमिनल एग्जामिनेशन. सो एब्डोमिनल एग्जामिनेशन पाए फर्स्ट इंस्पेक्शन, देन auscultation, then percussion, then palpation. It is the order of technique during abdominal examination. And common indication of infiltration of peripheral intravenous infusion. So common indication of infiltration of a peripheral intravenous infusion, that is cool skin distal to the incision site. Then next nursing memory capsule is the ideal length of incision of rectal suppository in adult 4 inches. Next nursing memory capsule is site of IM injection in infants, that is vastus lateralis muscles. Next, maximum volume of medication for single IM injection in adult, that is 5 ml. Then maximum volume of medication for a single subcutaneous injection in adult, that is 1 to 1.5 ml. Then maximum volume of medication for a single intradermal injection in adult, that is 0.1 ml. Next is cryotherapy. Cryotherapy means cold application, or cryotherapy otherwise known as cold application. Next question is Braden scale. Assessing the risk for decubitus ulcer. So Braden scale decubitus ulcer measurement करा जाए assess करेंगे. Next is Ong-Baker scale. Ong-Baker scale is to assessing the pain in children. Then Glasgow Coma scale to assess the level of consciousness of client. Next is appropriate needle size for insulin injection is 25 gauge. Then carminative means drug that relieves the fluctuance. Then Mantoux test to determine tuberculosis. Next nursing memory capsule is tracheostomy performed between the tracheal rings of cartilage, that is second and third cartilage. Tracheostomy करा जाए. Next is appropriate needle size for blood transfusion each an adult. So adult मानक blood transfusion कला बेले 16 to 20 gauge needle लगा जाए. 16, 18 or 20. Then site for bone marrow aspiration. Site for bone marrow aspiration is iliac crest and sternum. Next is site for bone marrow aspiration in children. Bone marrow aspiration in children, that is posterior superior iliac crest. The next nursing memory capsule is lumbar puncture in adult. It is L3 to L4 or L4 to L5. Next nursing memory capsule is chief intracellular cation in our body is potassium, and chief intracellular anion in our body is phosphate. Then chief extracellular cation in our body is sodium. Then next is chief extracellular anion in our body is chloride. Then carotid pulse should check for 5 to 10 seconds. Then genupectoral position, otherwise known as knee chest position, or knee chest position otherwise known as genupectoral position. Next nursing memory capsule is 1 tablespoon equal to 15 ml. Then 1 teaspoon equal to 5 ml. Next is time limit for registering birth is within 21 days. So 21 days भितर registration करिवार अछि. for birth certificate. So next, collection of lymph fluid in the pleural space is chylothorax. So chylothorax means collection of lymph fluid in the pleural space. Then agnosia. Agnosia means inability to recognize an object correctly. Then dysphagia. So dysphagia means difficulty in swallowing. Next is anemometer. Anemometer to measure air velocity. Next is hemoptysis, blood in sputum. Hemoptysis means blood in sputum. Then hematemesis, blood in vomitus. So vomiting रे blood आसिबो, that is hematemesis. sputum कफ रे आसिबो blood जदि ताले hemoptysis. So कफ रे जदि blood आउछि ताले hemoptysis, vomiting रे जदि blood आउछि ताले hematemesis. Then Khan test. So syphilis रे Khan test कराउछि. For example, tube flocculation test, that is Khan test. Next is Waterloo method. Waterloo method, so assess the risk of pressure ulcer in a bedridden client, that is Waterloo method. Then Landbrauder method for estimating the extent of burn. So Landbrauder method for estimating the extent of burn. Then rule of 9. Rule of 9, estimate the body surface area on an adult has been burned. Then next nursing memory capsule is rigor mortis. Rigor mortis means stiffness occur in the body after death about 2 to 4 hours. Stiffness occur in the body after death, that is rigor mortis. Then algor mortis. Algor mortis means decrease of the body temperature after death. Then livor mortis. Livor mortis means discoloration of the skin after death. The next nursing memory capsule is thoracentesis, is the treatment of choice of hemothorax, empyema, hydrothorax. So hemothorax, empyema, hydrothorax इतले thoracentesis करा जाए. Then position given while administering enema. So enema देला बेले seems lateral, left lateral position दिया हुए. Seems left lateral position दिया हुए for administration of enema. Next nursing memory capsule is enema can be placed at 30 to 45 centimeter height while giving enema. Then enteroscopy means visualization of the maxillary sinus. Then kaleidoscopy, visualization pelvic organs through the vaginal wall. Next question is then next nursing memory capsule is instilling the eardrops in adult, pulling the pinna off and back. So eardrops adult मानकु देला बेले off and back pulling करा हुए pinna को. Then instilling the eardrops in children, pulling the pinna down and back. So instilling the eardrops in children, pulling the pinna down and back. So ajigar nursing memory capsule etiki. So thank you so much for watching and listening. So next video re puni dekha habo new subject with part 3 nursing memory capsule. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So tata, bye bye.